Hey, today I'm going to compare these 6 different vibration plates. I'm going to show you all the different features because there's a bunch of different features between them. And then I'll go ahead and share my ranking for them from my favorite to least favorite. And that's based on my preferences for the features. So hopefully this is helpful to you so you can figure out which one is right for you. So I've had these for almost 2 months now. I have the Lifepro here, the Glyph, the AXV, the AeroPulse, the Tiscare, and the Mirac. So I'm going to go through each one at a time, talk about the features. So we're going to start with the Glyph here. This one includes a bag. Well, first off, it just said Bluetooth mode. This one and the AXV are the only two that have a Bluetooth speaker. It comes with 5 resistance bands, which go from extra light all the way up to extra heavy, which you can use around your ankles or your thighs while you're using this, which is nice. And then it comes with a bag to put those in. The Lifepro also has those type of things, which I'll show you. This is the remote. A lot of these remotes look very similar. Some of them have different features for them, so I'll make sure to cover that as well. And then the resistance bands with handles. These 4 have resistance band with handles. Those 2 do not. And they're all a little bit different. These 4 all are a little bit similar. The differences are going to be the carabiner. This one has like a metal one. The AXV has a plastic one, and the Lifepro doesn't have any. Let's go ahead and get it started. So this one starts at a 10-minute timer, and I'm going to go ahead and start it. There's 130 levels for the speed levels. The nice thing about this one is how quickly you can go up to the max speed. So just like that, I'm already to the max speed. So that is one of the best things about it. It's super quick to adjust, and I'll go ahead and turn that off now. So this one is very nice for that. Since it has a Bluetooth speaker, these buttons are to adjust the speaker itself, change songs, change the volume, and the AXV also has that. And the weight capacity on this is 450 pounds. Lifepro is next, and this one is gonna be 330 pounds of a weight capacity. This one's the widest of all of them. This is the resistance bands. These are a little bit nicer than the Glyph resistance bands, a little bit more heavy duty, and I really like that. It does not come with a extra light one, so there's only 4 instead of 5. This is the remote. None of the remotes come with batteries. They take 2 AAA batteries. Well, besides the Mirac is the only one that comes with the batteries. So let's go ahead and get it started. So this is the widest one. There's 99 speed levels. So this one does take longer to go up to that max speed, longer than the Glyph one. So there we go, we're at the max speed. I'm just gonna go ahead and turn that off now. It also started at a 15-minute timer, so that's a difference as well. Turn this one off now. And we have the AXV. Now for this one, I'm gonna go ahead and show you. There's the Bluetooth mode again. So this one is a 330-pound weight capacity. Now for this one, I'm going to show you the programs, which there's programs built into them. You can see at the bottom. And let's go ahead and start. And what this does is it just rotates between different speeds. So it'll go between different speed levels for either 15 seconds or up to a minute, depending on which one you're using. And then it'll change to a different speed. So that is a kind of a cool thing. So you can see now it's up to 70. The max for this one is 120. Now quickly, just to show you, the downside to this one, in my opinion, is how long it takes to go up in speed. So unlike the Glyph, which I showed you before, this one, if I hold it down to get up to the max speed of 120, it's gonna take quite a bit longer. The Glyph would have probably done that in 2 or 3 times for the same amount of time. Now with this one, another thing is the textures on the vibration plates themselves. If you're using it barefoot, I don't really like the aggressive textures like this one has. And the Glyph has it on the edges of it, just on this part, but it's not too bad. These ones are more smooth textures, so you're not gonna really feel it as much. But if you're using bare feet, that's just something to keep in mind. If not, it's not a big deal. Next up, we have the AeroPulse. This one's weight capacity is 400 pounds, and there is 250 levels, 250 different speed levels for it. Let's go ahead and get on. This one is about the same width as the Tiscare. They're the smallest in size. And let's go ahead and start. But they both have the similar remotes, and they have 3 additional buttons, which are cool. So it has a walking symbol, jogging, and a running symbol. Now what this does is it takes you up to a certain speed. So instead of having to hold down the button to go up to 250, which is going to take forever, you can click this button and it goes up to 40, and then you can go up to 120 with the jogging one, and then you go up to 200 with the running one. So it's a little bit quicker to adjust the speed, and that is a cool thing about it. For the other one, the Tiscare, same idea, but it goes up to 99 because there's only 99 speed levels. So let's go ahead and get on this one. When I start it, it's gonna go ahead and take us up to 30. When I click on the walk one, the jog is gonna take us up to 60, and then the run is gonna take us up to 90. So it's a little unique feature with these remotes to just be able to go through the modes quicker. So that is the Tiscare. And then last but not least, we have the Mirac. This one, I don't think I mentioned the weight capacity. So the Aura Pulse is 400, AXV is 330, and then the Mirac is 300, so it's the lowest of the group. So this one, we're gonna go ahead and start. This one has the least amount of speed levels, so it only has 10. So you can quickly go up to max speed of 10, just like that. Now, when it comes to this one, in my opinion, one of the downsides is the fact that it kind of curves down on the edges here. And so it's not as stable in my opinion. And this one comes with this resistance band. It doesn't have handles, and neither does the Tiscare. The Tiscare comes with this resistance band, which to me isn't very helpful. I would have rather had a resistance band like this, like the Mirac has, over this one, but that's what it comes with. Overall, between all of these, those are all the features to know. My ranking is based on the features that I care about. And so for me, the Lifepro is my number one because it's the widest, most stable, and just the most heavy duty. Next up I have is the Glyph as my number 2. It's a great option. If you really prefer having a Bluetooth speaker, then you'll want to go with either this one or the AXV, which is my next one in 3rd place. So the AXV, then we have the Aura Pulse, then we have the Tiscare, and then we have the Mirac. Now all of these are still great options. It just depends on what your preferences are, what features you're looking for, and hopefully this is helpful to you.